Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to build context here. But very, very impressive move. Things did not start off very good. That news came out about selling the shares and big gap down. Price actually dropped all the way down to there. But then when you stop and think about the fact that the price worked its way back up to where it did, you got to give credit where credit's due. That was a very impressive move. But that does now bring about the more than valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 175 mark. Why is 175 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen. But just for explanation's sake, let's say the price came down here to 175, behaved in that manner, and then continued on down. What would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it's already been a couple of times before. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But you got to be fair. No price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, the difference being behaves in that manner before starting to curl itself back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 175. In terms of areas of resistance, all eyes going to be on that pink line right there. It's on my chart denotes. They're very well known. They're very famous. 200 period moving average. Currently valid. We'll just call it the 194 mark. So keep a close eye on that moving forward. But all in all, got to give credit where credit's due. Nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.